people who are when they come to their homes, they are tired. So we want you to thank the apostle and anybody else outside there where the team is struggling to find Africa. I think we are very grateful.
We are very grateful. We are very grateful for this wonderful project and your support.
And we're here dedicating our first well Kenya, because we don't want people to have to walk so far to get water.
That we from the Church of God, the Bible Way in Florida, we are committed to this cause here. And the beauty about this is you're here as the media team today. And since you're here today, you're going to see us next year where we're going to do another coverage.
Na ripoti iyo mwera witũ nĩ ĩgũkorwo ĩgĩtũtirihĩra gĩkũnjĩro gitũ kĩa mohoro mũthenya